The Mental Game of Trading is a book written by Tendler, a performance coach known for his work with professional poker players and traders. The book focuses on the psychological aspects of trading and how mental skills play a crucial role in achieving success in the financial markets. Here is a summary of the key concepts covered in the book. 1. Emotional control. Tendler emphasizes the importance of emotional control in trading. He discusses how emotions such as fear and greed can lead to impulsive decision-making and negatively impact trading performance. Traders are encouraged to develop awareness of their emotional responses and implement strategies to manage and control these emotions. 2. Discipline and patience. The book highlights the significance of discipline and patience in trading. Successful traders have the ability to stick to their trading plans and wait for the right opportunities. Tendler provides insights into developing a disciplined mindset and avoiding the common pitfalls associated with impatience. 3. Mindset and beliefs. Tendler explores the impact of mindset and belief systems on trading outcomes. He discusses how limiting beliefs and negative self-talk can hinder performance. Traders are encouraged to identify and challenge their limiting beliefs, replacing them with positive and empowering thoughts that support success. 4. Goal setting and performance. The book emphasizes the importance of setting clear and realistic goals. Traders are encouraged to focus on the process of trading rather than solely on the outcomes. Tendler provides guidance on creating effective goals that enhance performance and contribute to long-term success. 5. Risk management. Risk management is a crucial aspect of trading, and the book delves into how risk-taking behavior can be influenced by psychological factors. Traders are advised to develop a rational and consistent approach to risk management to protect their capital and minimize emotional decision-making. 6. Decision-making under pressure. Tendler discusses the challenges of making decisions under pressure and provides strategies for maintaining focus and composure during high-stakes situations. The book explores techniques for improving decision-making processes and reducing the impact of stress on trading performance. 7. Continuous improvement. The mental game of trading is an ongoing process of self-improvement. Traders are encouraged to engage in regular self-assessment, learning from both successes and failures. Tendler provides tools and exercises for continuous improvement, helping traders refine their mental skills over time. Overall, the mental game of trading provides valuable insights and practical advice for traders looking to enhance their mental resilience and improve their overall performance in the financial markets.